Cool Rocks Nation presents Describe the size and shape of a shadow when the position of the light source is changed. Grade 3 Science, Quarter 3, Week 6, Day 1, Revised K-12 Curriculum. Let's review. What is opaque? These are objects that do not let light pass through, so you cannot see anything on the other side. Lesson Language Practice 1. Appearance. It is how something looks. It tells what you can see about an object, its color, size, shape, and other things that you notice with your eyes. Example 1. The apple's appearance is red and shiny. 2. The dog's appearance is small and fluffy. 2. Location. Where something is. It tells the place or position of an object. For example, on the table, under the chair, next to the door, or in the box. Example 1. The book's location is on the table. 2. The ball's location is under the chair. What do you see in the picture? I see a girl playing and a sun shining brightly. Do you see a dark image under the girl? Yes. Question. What do you see in the picture? A flashlight and a hand. 2. Is the hand being illuminated by a light? Yes. 3. What happened when the flashlight illuminated the hand? A dark image formed under the hand. If you remember, some objects are opaque. This means that light cannot pass through. When an opaque object is placed in front of a light, the space behind the object becomes dark. The dark shape is called a shadow. We have here 3 pictures. Picture A, Picture B, and Picture C. Question 1. Look at the first position of the flashlight in Picture A. When the flashlight illuminated the left side of the ball, where is the position of the shadow? A shadow formed at the right side of the orange ball. Question number 2. Look at the position of the flashlight in Picture B. When the flashlight illuminated the top of the ball, where is the position of the shadow? A shadow formed at the bottom of the orange ball. Third question. On Picture C, when the flashlight illuminated the right side of the ball, where is the position of the shadow? A shadow formed at the left side of the orange ball. Here's what happens when the light source changes position. The size and shape of a shadow change depending on the position of the light source. When the light moves closer, the shadow becomes bigger. When the light moves farther, the shadow becomes smaller. When the light moves to the opposite side of the object, the shadow may also become longer or slanted. Shadows can also change direction when the light comes from different angles. Activity 1. Write T if the statement is true and F if it's false. 1. When the light source moves closer to an object, the shadow becomes bigger. 2. When the light source is moved farther from the object, the shadow becomes smaller. 3. the shape of the shadow always changes even if the light source stays in the same place. 4. The shadow can look taller or shorter depending on where the light source is positioned. 5. If the light source is directly above the object, the shadow will appear longer than usual. Here are the answers. 1. When the light source moves closer to an object, the shadow becomes bigger. T. Number 2. When the light source is moved farther from the object, the shadow becomes smaller. T. Number 3. The shape of the shadow always changes even if the light source stays in the same place. F. 4. The shadow can look taller or shorter depending on where the light source is positioned. T. 5. If the light source is directly above the object, the shadow will appear longer than usual. F. Write the letter of the correct answer. 1. What happens to the shadow when the light source moves closer to the object? A. The shadow becomes smaller. B. The shadow becomes bigger. C. The shadow disappears. 2. When the light source moves farther from the object, the shadow becomes A. Smaller, B. Bigger, C. The same size. Number 3. The shape of a shadow usually looks like A. The object, B. A circle, C. A triangle. 4. What happens to a shadow when the light is moved to the side of the object? A. The shadow stays in the same place. B. The shadow moves to the opposite side. C. The shadow goes behind the light. 5. If the light source is very low or near the ground, the shadow will look A. Not visible, B. Very short, or C. Very tall. Here are the answers. 1B, 2A, 3A, 4B, and 5C.